Yo, whatever. Okay, I found a tube amplifier online for about €7, and I wanted to build one since I'm a kid, or since when I was a kid. Yeah. Actually, I wanted to design one, but whatever. It's pre-designed. The instructions are all in Chinese, so I don't have them here. I think I forgot them in the next room. But on the circuit board, you can see it's all printed on the circuit board. So I think it will be no problem to build it. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, and I have a new soldering iron. So the idea is to design a case for it later, maybe with the 3D printer. If the quality is good. If it isn't, I probably will redesign it because I have a nice circuit board now. I don't know how good the tubes are. They are Chinese tubes. I don't know. We'll see that as well. And it works on 12 volts AC officially, but I already saw it's a simple diode rectifier that I will build myself with some diodes and yeah. This one got a little damaged. I'm not sure, I should have one in spare. We'll see. Maybe I could look it up now, because it won't be fun if I do it when I'm finished and this is the only part that blows up. So sadly I don't have one in spare. I will just try it with this one, and if it blows up I get one. I want to buy some electronic stuff anyway, so if it blows up I will remember to buy it. Yep. I have no idea where I should begin. So I just begin with the, I don't know what they're called, tube holders. I don't know. But I will begin with those ones. I will begin when the soldering iron is hot. I see they are not, they are only color coded. There's nothing written on them. That's a problem because I'm colorblind. So I have to ask my friend what they are. And those should be blue diodes, yeah, blue LEDs for putting them in here. And then it should, yeah, emit blue light. Because I think those won't glow. It's only 12 volts and 1 amp. Those are 6 volts and they're I forgot the English word actually. In Reihe geschaltet. Those are put in a line. So no parallel. So we can use 12 volts with 6 volt tubes. Is it called in line? I don't think so. Whatever. D667, so it's easy because, yeah. I like that it's pretty symmetric. You know, you can, here's symmetrics, here symmetrics. It should be because it's stereo. So obviously it has to be symmetric. It's not completely symmetric though. Can't have everything. Now, I will take my break. That was my alarm. So whatever, I didn't eat yet because it's not done yet. And yeah, I will continue. So after a nice meal, I'm back. Was delicious. Nice. Yeah, should be good. And now the connectors. Nice. So I will put in the tubes. So I will clean them. And I will search for my 12-volt power supply. And then we will see. So I found my power supply. And I will put it in here. And then I will put it in there, because I'm not sure if it will work or if it will explode. We will see. Nice, it works. At least the LEDs work. Quite fancy. Yeah, so that's a tube amplifier, and I can see it glow a little bit. So it's working. The only thing I'm not sure about is if I get signal, but I can't test it right now. So I'll see later.